What happens if you pay too much or over withhold your taxes in a year? The idea of a tax refund is complicated to many people. Sometimes people expect it or are surprised when it's larger or smaller than they anticipated. Let's break this down into something very simple. This is Bob. Bob lives in America, and every year in America, Bob has to buy a burger. This is Betty. Her job is to get Bob's money for the burger. The thing is, Bob doesn't know how much a burger costs. His guess, he's not too sure, but he decides to give Betty $10 for the burger. Betty then uses this money, the $10, to buy the burger. Turns out, though, the burger was only $8. So here she had $10, she had a cost of 8. Bob gets a refund of $2. Okay, so here, Bob is you, the taxpayer. Betty is the government. Her job is to get the money for the burger. The $8 burger is the tax liability, and the $10 is the money you withheld and gave to the government. $2 is your refund. Once again, let's go through that one more time. You, the taxpayer, had to pay taxes. You weren't sure how much to pay, so you paid the government $10. Turns out you only owed 8, so you get $2 back. That's the basics of a tax refund. All you did is overpay the government and give you your money back to you. That's why tax refunds aren't great or exciting. You're just getting money that you overpaid back to you. It would be better if you learned how much a burger cost and tried to get an exact amount and maybe get 10 cents back rather than $2. Here, the government's holding on to your money for about a year with zero interest growing on it and zero ability to make that money do things for you, such as pay for basic living expenses. You don't want a large refund in April of next year. You'd be better having that money in your pocket when you earned it. Your money is worth more today than it is at 0% a year from now. We'll get into how to find out the exact cost of a burger, your tax liability. We'll also ask about whose responsibility it is to give that money to the government. Keep watching our videos to learn more.